Thanks for checking out this video on lip products from Kaleidos. I'll be trying a couple of the Lip Tonic lipsticks. They both have different finishes, and one of their Lucid Lip glosses. Kaleidos is an indie brand I've reviewed before, so if you'd like to learn a little bit more about the brand, I'll leave my last video linked here. Going straight into these products, the packaging these lippies come in are very unique, which is what Kaleidos is very well known for. The sides are tied together with a lace when you get them, so they're like tall pyramids. I love the artwork and the illustrations on them. I'd love to keep them, but they're a little bulky to store. Each lippy has a different packaging design. This one is for the Lip Tonic in the shade Collision. It's a beautiful smooth metallic red, almost satin. It's got such a beautiful finish. At the moment I think this is quite a rare shade to find. I was thinking this would be perfect to wear for an occasion like the Lunar New Year. This one is for the Lip Tonic in the shade Immersion. This shade is very neutral. It's like a very mauve, slightly cool pink shade. It's also got a little bit of brown in there as well, but again very neutral. It's really one of those funny shades that's in the middle somewhere. I really like this kind of shade. This one is for the Lucid Lip Gloss called Mesmerize. It's a very cool mauve tinted lip gloss. I think you can also use this as quite a good combo with the lipstick Immersion if you wanted to add some shine. Here are the swatches. I'll show you how they look on the lips after. Those are the swatches. Here's how they look on the lips. That's how these look. Here are my final thoughts. I really like the lip tonics. My favourite was the Collision as it was a beautiful shade and it also performed the best. Immersion also performed fairly well. Its consistency was a little bit runnier, but otherwise it's a beautiful shade. They're fairly comfortable to wear, not too drying. If you have very dry lips like I have, I'd still recommend prepping with a lip balm or lip cream beforehand. It does have minimal smudging as advertised. The wear is okay, maybe up to 4 hours without much contact. The finish was really nice. The Lucid Lip Gloss is very comfortable. It's a decent gloss. It's got a nice tint and shine, not too tacky. The wear time is not long, which is typical of lip glosses. The packaging is always beautiful from Kaleidos, and the delivery was pretty good. I received it within 21 days of the order date, and coming to the UK. So overall the products are pretty good. It looks like the Collision Lip Tonic is the only shade in this video available on the website at the moment. I don't know if they're going to bring back Immersion or Mesmerize, which would be a shame if not. But it may be worth keeping an eye out in case they do. Collision is my favourite shade from the collection, to be honest, so I'm glad that they still have this shade on their site. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think. I'd be really interested in any recommendations for lipsticks that look like Collision. Otherwise, let me know what your favourite lip product is at the moment. Comment below and thanks for watching.